Erika Girardi, otherwise known as Erika Jayne, is back in the news and apparently has absolutely no compassion or ability to read the room in any way whatsoever, because she has asked a federal judge for her diamond earrings back. Her diamond earrings were seized as being bought for and paid for by her husband, Girardi, who swindled his clients out of millions, tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars. And these were the proceeds of illegal money. But she wants her diamond earring back. She has no compassion at all. It's apparently very expensive to be her. She wants her diamond earring back. Let's get started with this. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills stars, Erika Girardi, also known as Erika Jayne, is asking the federal judge to stop her from having to relinquish her pair of diamond earrings. The bankruptcy trustee says should be sold to help pay a $500 million debt for her disgraced husband's firm. Yeah. The earrings are already out of her possession. The bankruptcy judge ordered them to turn over last July, and the trustee has been storing them in a safe deposit box that are going to be auctioned off, and whoever wants to buy them can buy on them, and then the money will go to, paying for some of the bankruptcy stuff. Jayne's lawyer is appealing the turnover, and in a brief filed saying the trustee can't lawfully claim the earrings because Tom Girardi gave them to Jayne in 2007, and any claim is time barred by the statute of limitations. So they're not saying that they're not bought with proceeds of stolen money. They're not saying that the diamond earrings weren't bought and paid for by the injuries from the crash victims or the water poisoning. No, it's just a time bar issue. So, okay, all right. Jayne, who was filed for divorce in 2020, was gifted the 7-carat earrings in 2007 by Girardi after a burglar stole a similar pair of earrings he had given her as a birthday or anniversary gift a couple of years earlier. So, okay. But the bankruptcy trustee for the firm Girardi controlled found records showing that they paid $750,000 of firm money for the earrings. They were bought for and paid for by the business, which itself is cheating injured and hurt people out of money. Okay. Erika Girardi's appeal of the bankruptcy order comes as the trustee is preparing to auction the jewelry. On Tuesday, the judge granted the request to hire an auctioneer to facilitate the sale. The auction is currently scheduled to include other jewelry given to the trustee by Girardi's associate last month, described in court documents as a small Tiffany harp-shaped diamond necklace, a small Cartier diamond necklace, a Bulgari pearl and diamond necklace, and diamond stud earrings, approximately 1.75 carats each, worth between $10,000 and $15,000. The source of the jewelry is identified by the trustee only as a former friend of Girardi, but the relinquishment occurs at the same time as Tricia Bigelow, a retired state appellate court justice who had a 4-year romance with Girardi, was handing over property that she had been paid for. So yes, she was apparently having an affair with Girardi, and so she is also having to turn over things as a result of all this wonderful corruption. Erika Girardi's lawyer has emphasized that she has no idea what was going on with her husband's law firm. I'm not sure I believe any of that. And that Girardi controlled all the finances. Her direct knowledge isn't necessary for the trustee to seek debt compensation through her, because bankruptcy trustees frequently initiate adversary proceedings against recipients of fraudulently spent money who are guilty of nothing more than accepting goods or payments without knowing the true source. So yeah, sometimes you can go after innocent third parties if the money that was producing it was created improperly, right? If they're a purchaser for value, incidentally, that might change versus a gift. So if they're a bona fide purchaser for value, they might be able to get good title. If it was a gift, they might be able to crawl it back. So there are some differences there. Thus, that brings us to the end of the case of Erika Girardi, who's trying to show herself just to continue to be the most classy woman of us all. Erika Jayne, Erika Girardi, wants to get her diamond earrings back, $750,000 of value given by her husband, who almost certainly stole the money because it was paid for by the company, paid for by the law firm. And she wants the earrings back because she's like, I had no idea. I didn't know. Sure you didn't. But she has no problem wanting to be expensive to be her. She'd like to keep the earrings, and so she's going with that plan. We'll see what happens. At least for a moment, that brings us to the end of discussion of this case.